Good evening, children. We have completed up to problem number 3, and today's class we are going to start with the problem number 4, subtract. In this problem I have solved the first problem, third subdivision and sixth subdivision. Now your first subdivision, 6a square plus 12ab minus 7b square from minus 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square. The question is to subtract. So in the subtraction problem, if you have a from, after from, what expression is there, that expression you will be writing as first. So minus a square, 8a square plus 10ab minus 5b square. Have used a bracket to differentiate the symbol. So minus bracket 6a square plus 12ab minus 7b square. Next step, I am going to take the subtraction symbol inside the brackets. So minus 6a square minus into plus minus 12ab minus into minus plus, so plus 7b square. So we have removed the brackets and we have taken subtraction symbol inside the terms also. Next step will be combining the like terms and writing. A square minus 8a square, the another a square term is 6a square. So with the symbol I am writing minus 8a square minus 6a square. Next term is ab. So plus 10ab minus 12ab minus 5b square plus 7b square. The next step, I am going to take the literal outside and numerals inside the bracket with the symbol. A square is a common literal, so taking outside, writing the numeral minus 8 minus 6 inside the bracket, and here 10 minus 12 minus 5 plus 7. When you have a same symbol, you have to add it and write the bigger number symbol. 8 and 6, if you add, it's 14. Bigger number is 8, its symbol is minus, so minus 14a square. 10 minus 12 is 2, bigger number is 12, its symbol is minus, so minus 2ab minus 5 plus 7. Two different symbols, so you have to subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2, bigger number is 7, its symbol is plus, so plus 2b square. So your answer is minus 14a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third subdivision, a square plus 2a minus 3 from 3a square minus 2a plus 4. We are going to subtract. In subtraction, after from, what expression is there, that expression we will be writing it in the first. So it's your 3a square minus 2a plus 4. Using subtraction symbol to differentiate the symbol for both the expression, I am using the brackets. Next step, we will be taking the subtraction symbol inside the bracket. Minus into plus minus a square minus 2a minus into minus plus. So writing the like terms together, 3a square minus a square, then a terms minus 2a plus 4 plus 3. Now the a square is a like term, taking the literal outside and writing the numerals inside. 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2, then 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2a square minus 2 minus 2. When you have the same symbol, you have to add the number and write the bigger number symbol. So minus 2 is 4 minus 4a plus 7. And your sixth subdivision. Your question is 3x power 4 y square minus 7 x square y plus 4xy from minus 2x power 4 y plus 5x cube y square minus 2x square. So after from, what term is there, I will be writing it as first, then I will use subtraction symbol to differentiate. I use brackets on both the expression. Next step, taking the minus inside the bracket, so it is minus 3x power 4 y square minus into minus plus 7x square y minus into plus minus 4xy. If you see here, the only like term is x square y and 7x square y. So you are going to simplify only this term. Remaining terms you are going to write as it is. So minus 2x power 4 y plus 5x cube y minus 3 plus 7, two different symbols. So you are going to subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4, bigger number is 7, its symbol is plus. So plus 4x square y. The remaining term as usual, no like term, so writing as it is. Problem number 5. How much larger is 11x cube minus 5x square plus 3 than 6x cube plus 7x. So this term, how much larger they are asking. So we are going to subtract. Now I am going to use column method. 11x cube minus 5x square plus 3. I am going to subtract. So subtraction symbol. The next term is 6x cube. You don't have x square term. So using 0 and 7x term also not there. So 7x writing as it is, no constant term. To subtract, we have to change the sign. When you have addition symbol, it will become subtraction. Subtraction means addition. So plus will become minus 6x cube minus 7x. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. Bigger number is 11. Its symbol is plus. So 5x cube minus 5x square minus 7x plus 3. So this is the answer. And problem number 8. How much should be added to 8x cube minus 3y minus 4 to get y square plus y plus 1? I am going to take to what expression to be find as x. So let x be the required expression, and that expression will be added to the 8x cube minus y minus 4 to get. So using equal to symbol for that word, and y square plus y plus 1. Now x is the algebraic expression we are going to find. So keeping x one side and taking the whole expression to the other side. So using subtraction symbol before that. Next is step taking minus inside the bracket. So minus 8x cube minus into minus plus 3y minus into minus plus 4. Now combining the like terms, the only like term you have is y. So 3y y. If you add it is your 4y. So minus 8y cube plus y square plus 4y. 1 plus 4 5 plus 5. So this is the algebraic expression you get when you add with it. So we have learned from problem number 4 to problem number 8. Leftover sums, do it as a homework. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you, students.